Now today we will continue exercise 13.2 surface areas and volumes, chapter number 13. So till question number 4 we already have done. Now today we will be doing question number 5. So in question number 5, exercise 13.2. Exercise 13.2, question number 5. Now it is very important for board exam. A vessel is in the form of inverted cone. Now vessel is in the form of inverted cone. This is inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter. So height of cone is 8 centimeter. It is 8 centimeter. And radius of its top is 5 centimeter. It is 5 centimeter. Which is open is 5 centimeter. It is filled with water up to the brim. Means up to the brim means up to top. Water filled up to the brim. When lead shot, each of which is a sphere. Now lead shot is in the shape of sphere. Of radius 0.5 centimeter. 0.5 centimeter are dropped into the vessel. If you dropped this lead shot into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out from the vessel. Find the number of lead shot dropped into the vessel. So we have to calculate the number of lead shot dropped into the vessel. So it is given that the height of conical vessel it is h equals to 8 centimeter. The radius capital R equals to 5 centimeter. Now radius of spherical lead shot. Radius of spherical lead shot this is small letter r equals to 0.5 centimeter. Okay, now first we must know what is the volume of this vessel. So volume of vessel is 1/3 pi r square h. Volume of vessel is 1/3 pi r square h. Why capital R? We consider the radius of cone is capital R. Now the situation is when the lead shot is dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of water flows out from the vessel. So when the lead shot dropped into the vessel, then volume of water flows out equals to 1/4 into volume of vessel, 1/3 pi r square h. Now we will be able to calculate the number of lead shot. So for calculating the number of lead shot, we have to do volume of water flows out divided by the volume of spherical lead shot. You will get the number of lead shot. Therefore, number of lead shot dropped into the vessel equals to volume of water flows out, volume of water flows out divided by volume of spherical lead set. Volume of spherical lead set. Okay, now put the values. First we have to write the formula for calculating the number of elements. We have to do larger volume by smaller volume. Always we will be doing larger volume by smaller volume. So this equals to, now volume of water flows out is 1 by 4 into 1/3 pi r square h divided by, we know that the volume of spherical leads are 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we can put the value. So this equals to 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 into value of, we can put pi. R is 5 into 5, H is 8 divided by 4 by 3 into R is 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. Now first remove the points. This equals to 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 into 5 into 5 into 8 divided by 4 by 3 into 5 by 10 into 5 by 10 into 5 by 10. It is in number. Here it is centimeter cube. Here also centimeter cube, centimeter cube, centimeter cube cut. And this is lead set. This equals to, now 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 into 5 into 5 into 8. Now reciprocate the denominator. So it is 3 by 4. 10 by 5. 10 by 5, 10 by 5. Now we can put 4 1 4, 4 2 8, 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 3 3 cut, 5 5 cut, this 5 cut. So 2 1 2, 2 5 10. Okay, 10 10, this is cancel, 5 5 cancel. Now 10 10, 100 number of lead set. If you dropped 100 number of lead set into the vessel, then what will happen? 1/4 of the volume of water flows out from the vessel. So this is the answer of question number 5. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.